Cross the roundabout and take the first exit, A5, Holland Head Road.
Jesus.
Cross the roundabout and take the first exit.
I cannot see. It is clear though. I did check. I used my eyes.
What would have been a better gear for that?
First.
That's correct.
Like now.
If that speed comes down to below 10 miles an hour, get it into first gear. Otherwise, in this car, because the engine's quite powerful, in second gear it's going to want to pull you.
Yeah, it goes. I do not care. I'm getting it up this person's arse, and nobody's going to fight me about it. Not literally, of course, but
nobody cares.
except the examiner.
Do you know what? What can help some students sometimes, okay, is giving themselves a talk through.
That's what I do.
That's not a problem. The examiner doesn't care. No problem at all. As long as you can drive for 40-45 minutes safely and legally, that's all that matters, okay? I've had people who are like full of sound effects, you know? Every roundabout they come to is
I'm usually silent until something happens, and then I start making noises.
It sounds like a 70s porn film.
God no, I remember that. Flipping heck.
It doesn't matter, as long as you can drive safely and legally for 45 minutes, nothing else matters.
I only start making noises when something goes wrong, and then I'm like, or like when I start stressing, I do that like hyperventilating, panting thing.
Yes,
That's one.
After 300 yards, cross the roundabout and take the first exit, A5, Holland Head Road. Cross the roundabout and take the first exit.
Shortest route, fight me.
So I'll give you a minor there for not checking your left mirror and indicating left. It's a physical roundabout. You did actually go like that above the indicator. Your left hand went to indicate left.
It did. I think I just instinctively did it, and then just decided no.
It would have told that car behind us that we're coming off on the next available exit, which is the one straight ahead.
Yeah.
So if it's a physical roundabout, if it's got a curb, it's got a tree, it's got a sign, if it's got anything physical about it, anything other than a blob of white paint, which is a mini roundabout, then yes, indicate to come off the roundabout. Follow the sat-nav, please.
We're taking.
After 300 yards, cross the roundabout and take the first exit, A487, Treyborith Road.
Might give you another minor there for driving too slowly along that road we just come on.
Fair enough.
Cross the roundabout and take the first exit.
Because you've got to keep up with the flow of traffic.
Which I barely ever do.
Drive to the conditions.
I'm the reason that there's a safe limit and there's slow cars on the road. That's me.
If you look in your mirror and you've got more than 3 cars behind you, that's probably a clue.
I need to go to 35. But there's also a junction which makes me a little bit nervous.
I have known tests to go up there sometimes actually.
Really?
Yeah. It's just like a shortcut to the hospital.
Oh.
What's a safe speed along here?
35.
What's the speed limit?
40. 60. That changed. I don't know why in my brain I still thought it was 40.
After 800 yards, go right on the roundabout and take the third exit, A55, towards Better Secured.
Eh? Oh.
Yeah, the sat-nav's not very good with its pronunciation of Welsh villages.
I was going to say, I was like, that's horrific. Third exit. Is that third? That is third. Yeah. Okay. Alright then. So I need to be in...
A lot of people fail on this roundabout.
First I need to be in correct gear.
Go right on the roundabout and take the third exit, A55, towards Better
Now
Secured.
then,
No, we're not going.
see that grey Audi?
Yep.
He could be coming this way as well, okay? So both of those vehicles over there could be coming this way. A lot of people fail because they don't realise that where the lane the grey Audi was in come round this way as well, okay?
Oh shit.
That's it, look at that. Have you got time?
I have. I'm going now.
That's it. And that's why a lot of people fail on that roundabout.
1, 2, Better Secured, there's my exit. Oh, is this the one that's like really weird? And I need to like cut across. Oh fucking hell, I hate this. Yes, I know. Oh, don't force it, don't force it.
Look in your mirror. Indicate. Off the gas. Let the van come through. Brake for me. Okay, he's flashed you. Gas for me. Gas for me. Gas for me.
Thank you. Jesus Christ, this is scary. I'm doing the hyperventilating, panting thing again.
Did the examiner have to help you just then?
Yes. I'm more than willing to accept that. Is it 40 along here now? Flipping heck, okay. I'm not taking this exit off, okay, fair enough. Doesn't seem like anyone's doing 40. Now I'm really confused. Are we meant to be doing 40 or are we meant to be doing like the national speed limit?
Off the gas, it's 40.
Are you joking? Why is everyone doing 55?
Now then, the sat-nav is telling you that the speed limit is 70.
But the road is saying 40.
Yes. It's a temporary speed limit, okay?
Oh my god.
Yeah.
Why does everyone do 55?
Doesn't matter what everybody else is doing. Everybody else could get a speeding ticket, okay? You'll get one as well because you got up to, I think it was 51 in a 40. 55?
55.
Yeah, okay.
I'm going to be honest, it was 55. That's why I was like, why is everyone doing 55? Because I
Now
was
then,
doing
it's
55.
really tempting, okay? Especially in a driving test and things like that when you haven't got much experience.
Yeah, or if everyone else
That's
is doing it.
to follow the vehicle in
Yeah.
front. Now then, the vehicle in front might be breaking the law. So
So was I.
yes, exactly.
On camera as well, that's crazy.
Yes.
Guys, I've broken the law.
Yeah. Speeding tickets in the post.
Just forward it to me. I'll be like, oh yeah, there it is.
Enjoyed that, that was good.
That was not good. That was not enjoyable whatsoever. That was horrific.
After 1.2 miles, take the exit 11
Thing is,
A55.
have you
towards Better
learned
Secured.
by, look, that was Rolls Royce going there.
No, I didn't see it. I was too busy focusing on the road because I can't drive properly.
It's all to do with your eyes assessing the situation, looking at road signs, road markings and other vehicles, yeah?
Oh, lay-by closed. It's not the slip that's closed. That's good.
It's the lay-by that's closed. They're resurfacing the lay-by.
Can they do this another time, please? This is like the first time I've ever seen works being done on this stretch. Anyway, well,
It's random, it could happen at any your time, okay?
Yeah. I'm breaking the law again.
Yep.
Oh dear. I've already failed like about 5 times. At this point, I'm like, you know what? Let's go 80. Not actually. Let's go 80.
Right then.
National speed limit. Yay! Doesn't fucking matter because I'm coming off in half a mile.
Let's go.
After 800 yards, take the exit 11A55 towards Betterton Wood. Then go left on the roundabout and take the first exit A5 towards Bangor.
Forward.
Take the exit 11, then go left on the roundabout and take the first
I
exit.
didn't even see the first marker. That's really awkward. I didn't see it. Okay. I'm going to start slowing down.
After 200 yards, go left on the roundabout and take the first exit A5 towards Bangor. Go left on the roundabout and take the first exit.
Yes, I know, but I also want to make sure that I'm not going to hit anyone. Stop screaming at me, you fucking sat nav. Let's go.
Could you have got away with second there?
I could, but I was a bit hesitant because of the timing of that car. I just wanted to make sure that I was doing it safely. Oh my god, yes, I know, Jesus. This has been a nightmare. This better not be what my actual test is like, flipping a heck.
Well, it's a mock test. What happens on mock tests?
Everything.
You have to be ready to deal with whatever we come across, yeah?
After 400 yards,